Hi guys, welcome to Coders Digest, and in today's video we will discuss about most frequent category imputation. It is also known as mode imputation and it is basically used for imputing the categorical variables. So let us see. So I have opened my Jupyter notebook and let's start. So stay with me till the end and we will see how we can impute categorical variables just in 5 minutes. It is a very easy and handy technique. Okay, so let me do my imports. So I am importing pandas as pd. Okay, and I am also importing matplotlib.pyplot plt. Okay, so and I am using my same old house price.csv for this demonstration. And let me read the data. Read.csv and house price.csv. So you can type starting letters and press tab and it will automatically grab the name of your data file. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, I did a mistake here. So it is pd.read_csv. Oh, I'm running into a lot of issues. pd.read_csv. Okay, and let me see the first few rows of my data. So I can see that this is the head of my data, and in order to go for the imputation I can see that we have some NA values here, but I need to find out since we are going seeing the frequent category imputation to impute the categorical variables. So I need to figure out like which all are the categorical variables having NA values. So uh, let me just get the variables which are categorical in nature and which have missing values. Okay, so let me create a new variable and let me call it missing underscore categorical, and I need to write some function to grab these variables. So I'll say it is as var for var in data. So data is our data frame name dot columns. Okay, and if data var dot is null dot mean is greater than 0. Okay, so I'm checking that only those variables which have missing values, and with that I'll also write another condition to find out the categorical variables only. So I will write data var dot dtypes. So guys, dtypes is a function which will provide you the type of any variable. So I'm typing out here O. So O basically stands for your object, or you can say it is for the variables which are categorical. Okay, let me run it. Okay, it has run successfully, and now let me see what are our uh, categorical variable with missing data. So we have a lot of variables which are categorical in nature and have missing data. So for this purpose of demonstration I'm choosing this garage type, and let us see what all do we have here, and let me see what is the percentage of missing value in this. So I will type is null dot mean, and so it has nearly 5.5% of missing data. If you want to check the count, then you can, let me just grab this from here, data dot is null dot sum. Okay, so it will provide you the sum of the missing data. Okay, so we have 81 missing entries in this column. Okay, right now if you want in order to visualize it, so we can see we can plot a bar chart and see which are the most frequent categories. So how can we do that? So for that, data, and I'll take this variable garage type dot value underscore counts. So now let's see what is value underscore counts. So this value underscore counts is giving us the count of each category in this garage type variable. So now what I'll do is I will simply write plot dot bar. Okay, see, so now you can see in this plot that the most appeared category in this particular variable is attached. Okay, so obviously we will do this, and let us see and we will get the same value in the mode also. So if I type, because it is the most appeared category, so this is our mode also. So let me type it, and you see attached is our mode. So now, so far you might have guessed that now we are going to fill our NA values with attached, since this is our mode. Okay, and that is what, when we call about frequent category and the mode, then this is what we imply. Okay, so how can we impute the value then? So for that, it is very simple, guys, and it is just one line. And when you are working on a data, when you are working on your pipeline, okay, when your model pipeline, then you can write this functionality in your pipeline, and you can just simply add a dictionary, map the NA values to the map the NA values to the mode, and it is very simple. So in the next videos, when we will discuss an end-to-end project, I will definitely go through all these steps what I'm saying. So for this particular purpose of demonstration, how we will fill the categorical variable. For that purpose, how we will use pandas fill NA. So you might have seen that in our previous videos also. So how I will do that is I will write data, and I will grab my variable. So get as type is our variable. I will write fill NA. Okay, and I will write uh, what is our mode? Okay, sure, and I'll run it. Now if I say, so I am doing something deliberately here, and this will not make the change in effect. So you can let me know what I'm doing here, or what mistake I am making here in the comment box. So now if I check dot is null dot sum, oh, I'm still getting my null values here, so these are not imputed. So most of you might have guessed what mistake I have done here. So as you know, I have not written here in place equals to true. So I made this mistake deliberately, so that you can, whenever you are imputing your data, you need to keep in mind that if you will not write this particular tag, then the changes will not make effect in your data frame. Okay, so now if I run it again and I check it now, see, the missing values are 0. So we have successfully imputed our missing data. Okay, now let me plot the bar chart again. So I'll write data garage type dot value underscore counts dot plot dot bar, and let's see. So you can see here we have imputed our uh, missing value. So you can see, like, if you check the count, then you can see that now we have slightly increased our, this bar is certain slightly increased now. Why? Because we have imputed our NA values with this attached category, and so what it has done, that the counts of this particular category have been increased. Okay, so this is how we can impute our categorical variables in, like, very quickly. It is very quick, and in the coming videos we will discuss other techniques also. We will discuss target encoding and sorry, not target encoding, and we will discuss about target encoding is different things. It is a encoding thing, so we will discuss that also, but in next videos we will see how else we can impute our categorical variables. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. So I would request you to please like and subscribe my channel, so that you get the notification of all the latest videos which I post on this YouTube channel. So thank you for your time.